What's up, guys? This is Wild Smash here, and today I'm going to be doing the Waterfall Challenge with Pepsi. Last episode, my friend Jake, or Jason, yep, he's right there, he drank soda with a Jason mask on. And I'm going to have more of those episodes coming out, like different drinks and stuff that Jason's going to try out, you know? Alright, Waterfall Challenge.
Alright, here we go. Alright, guys, be prepared, dude, because first of all, if you throw up, man, I'm not gonna
throw up.
I'm gonna drop the camera for literally. Oh, I almost dropped it.
Alright, I need to take my shirt off, because, yeah.
Censored?
Just stop. My gouging muscles. Alright. So, yeah. We are going to do a waterfall challenge.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Let's get a closer angle. Hey, you need to do it from a far angle, man. You have to
Okay.
He's doing it. Oh God. Looks like he's drinking out blood, man. Oh God. It looks like Exy glue.
Some of it got on my nose.
Oh, I almost dropped it.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, sorry.
Freaking. Oops.
Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God, dude, you got stuff all over. Oh God, dude, did you just throw up? Oh shit, dude, just take little sips, man. Man, I'm getting away. Oh, I almost dropped it. Dude, just take little sips, man. Oh God! Jeez, look at that! Oh God! This is too viral. Okay, that one I'm done. Don't guys, this is too gross. Guys, we're gonna end it here because
That's how you do shot.
I think that's
That's how you do shot.
Yep.
Alright, guys, we'll see you next.
Oh God. Oh God.
In the video. Did you edit?
Alright, guys. Alright, so we're gonna say bye.